investing.
Welcome back. Well, the market is off the lows, but still down quite a bit. The Bank Nifty is the problem, down 1.5%. Remember, it was up almost 3% on Friday, so it's given up actually now more than half of what it gained on Friday. The Nifty is, in fact, about to give up almost all of Friday's gains. Time now for D Street Chatter. Nimesh is joining us for that. Nimesh, tell us what's happening, because on Friday it looked like the market has put some kind of bottom and was ready to move on. Of course, the global picture has turned once again, but what's been the feedback today?
And so market is at day's low, and again dragged by the financials. So that's where the big pain point seems to be. But the big important feedback is that the volumes are on the lower side, because most of the Asian markets are going to see a truncated week. So China is shut today. We are having a holiday on Wednesday. So a lot of Asian markets are going to see a truncated week, and that's why the volumes are going to be on the lower side. Today, for a change, there's going to be a small ETF selling for the Indian market. So that's again going to have an impact in terms of the FI flows towards the end. In terms of sector churn, that continues for the last many days, and that's been the trend today as well. So the pharma stands out in terms of continuous buying interest. On the other side, there is still selling pressure in the technology stocks, even in today's trade. In terms of technical levels, I believe the range seems to be between 16,700 on the downside and 17,300 on the upside. So that's going to be the range for this particular series. But today, well, we've seen sharp sell-off, but it's largely on the on thin volume. So that's a bit of an issue, that the volumes are on the lower side from the larger institutions.
All right, Nimesh, what about stock specific? What are you picking up?
Hi Nigel, so in terms of individual names, the first stock is Gravita. Again, the whole trend of promoter selling via block deal continues. So it looks like the next on the line could be Gravita. Again, the buzz is that there's going to be a large block deal very soon, and there could be a small stake still from the promoter entity. So that's one which stands out. So that's the first one. Second stock is Ashok Leyland. Within the auto basket, Ashok Leyland was once one company which reported very strong monthly numbers, and there is a bit of buying interest back as well. Also, there was a report from Morgan Stanley, and they've put out a tactical buy on Ashok Leyland purely on back of strong monthly data. So that's the second one. The third stock is Oriental Hotels. Again, the entire hotel basket is doing good, but Oriental Hotel intraday was up more than 14%, and there are good volumes as well. It was part of my chatter list a couple of months back, and there is a strong buzz that maybe Oriental Hotels will get merged into the group entity very soon. So that's the reason why a bit of excitement on that stock. And the last stock is KPIT Technologies. This month the stock is up close to 17% and has really outperformed the IT basket. Even in today's weakness, there is a bit of buying back in this particular stock. So there is a lot of interest from larger FIs to buy into KPIT Technologies, and hence the volumes will be on the higher side even in today's trade.
Okay, Nimesh, thanks a lot for that.